Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2020 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive coupe that we have for sale. One beautiful performance luxury coupe. One of the beautifulest cars I think on the road. Don't take my word for it. It's got lots of praise from the automotive press. Car and Driver even had a article not too long ago, the 10 best looking cars you can buy, and the Q60 was on it. In fact, it was a cover vehicle for that particular article. This one is recently retired out of our loaner car fleet. The way that works is we'll pluck a new car out of our inventory. We'll keep it in loaner car service for about a year. One of the benefits of being a new Infiniti customer, a certified pre-owned Infiniti customer, is you get complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles for extended stays. So that's what this one did for a year. Then we retire it, and now it's available for sale as a certified pre-owned vehicle. So if you're in the market for a nice late model Q60 coupe, this one only has 6,373 miles. And very nicely equipped with features. Here's the original build sheet on it. Base MSRP was $47,500, but when you add in all the equipment, it goes all the way up to $58,940. So not all Q60s are created equal, so it's always good to look at the build sheet, because maybe one might seem like a better deal, but if that one's a base one, and this one's a loaded one, and this one's only a couple $1,000s more, well, maybe that other one is not that great of a deal, is it? So we have the Essential package, that was $3,200, and the Essential package really kind of gives you essential features. Most people want these features in a luxury automobile, like navigation, voice recognition, automatic collision notification, Wi-Fi hotspot, Sirius XM traffic, and TravelLink. That is a subscription-based service. Then we have a power tilt telescoping steering wheel, memory seats, heated front seats and steering wheel, remote engine start, and auto-dimming outside mirrors. Then we have the Pro Assist package that was $1,650, giving you blind spot warning, backup collision intervention, an around view monitor, front and rear sonar system, and rain sensing wipers. Then the leather seating package was $1,350, giving you the semi-inline leather seats, leatherette is standard. Cargo package $310, giving you a trunk protector, cargo net, console net, and first aid kit and shopping bag hook. Then we have Infiniti Radiant illuminated kick plates, $425. Infiniti Radiant welcome lighting, $465. So basically the welcome lighting works. The vehicle has a smart proximity key, so when it senses you approaching the vehicle, the underside will light up, creating a really cool ambient effect, especially when it's parked inside a garage. Then we have Infiniti Interior ambient lighting, that was $510. The carbon fiber rear decklet spoiler was $870 because it is a real carbon fiber spoiler, not a fake look-alike one. And then those beautiful 19-inch 10-spoke dual finish wheels, $1,640, and they really give it more of an aggressive look. Almost makes it look like a sport model, but you don't have that harsher ride that you get with a sport package with that stiffer suspension. So there we go, there is all the equipment. 2020 is a great year for the Q60 because it got a upgraded infotainment system, so you have a crisper, higher resolution display, and you now have Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto for the first time. I know a lot of people were asking about that. Well, for 2020, now you have it, and for 2017, the Q60 was completely redesigned and looks completely different than the old one it replaces. So we have the dual display system. Top screen is for navigation and parking camera. As we mentioned, we have the 360 around view camera. That actually was one of the firsts for Infiniti. Infiniti had one of the first production 360 cameras. Now a lot of people have jumped on board with that, but they were pioneering. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access your drive mode selector. You have it here. You can also access it here as well. You can make changes to the transmission and steering effort. You can active trace control brakes individual wheels to help you rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. Nice leather wrap steering wheel. Bose Performance Series audio system. If you like music, you'll definitely appreciate the Bose sound system. Nice, comfortable interior. These seats are very supportive and comfortable. Back seat space is not too bad, but obviously we have to make some concessions when dealing with a coupe. There is a beautiful trunk lid spoiler, cargo net, we have the all-season floor mats, first aid kit, cargo area protector. There are those beautiful upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels. And as I mentioned, this is now a certified pre-owned vehicle, so you get all the benefits you normally would as a brand new Infiniti. 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty. It covers about 1,400 components. Roadside assistance and trip interruption benefits for the duration of the certified warranty. Complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles, and low rate financing for well-qualified buyers. The heart of the Q60 is this twin turbo V6 engine pumping out 300 horsepower. Direct injection, you have twin turbos that are small. The small turbos respond a little bit faster, a little bit better than larger turbos, so it makes the engine more responsive. So that's why they use 2 small turbos rather than 1 big one. And look at the beautiful lines of this Q60. You might be able to find some faults with this vehicle, you might be able to criticize it in certain ways, but the one thing that I think you'd have a hard time finding fault or criticism is the way it looks. It's absolutely beautiful, and I think if you happen to own it, you'll have lots of looks and compliments wherever you go. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.